We're living in a world composed of invisible structures, vast machines, following up with autonomous events. We are pieces of objects, performing rules of physics and routines in this daily pattern. We consider it as our ordinary life, the new norm. After several years of the world without us, finally we're returning back to the old lands. Things that happened in the past are carefully documented and hung on the walls, displaying around the room to remind people the importance of the old events. The world is a constellation of objects, islands, and landscape. Object, a word for generalizing all approachable things. Island, an area of isolation, a stranded situation, a solo being. Landscape, a perspective of an area of land. The information between the individual islands is exchanged through the space machine. The machine gives the idea about how objects and space appear to us. It contains a collection of flexible elements which is able to adapt to the site-specific context. It connects the objects and images and provides people ways of viewing the world. Space, therefore, is able to be seen as a collection of worlds with more than one perspective. In this new generation, an artist is busy with the writing of fiction to explore the possible worlds. Measurement. Measurement controls how we value things and how we imagine what things could be. Objects are often produced to benefit our life, but gradually it takes over our perception of things. Therefore, to start a new norm, we need to set up our rules of measurement to perceive the world. Weight of objects, scale of things, length and distance, duration of time. The restriction of travel has been abolished for a long time, but the land is still haunted with the imagined fear and anxiety. People are not sure about the distance between each other. With less and less physical contact with others, the comfort space for individuals, therefore, become islands. A collection of islands. Island is a land of separation, as well as a human being situated in an isolated surrounding, being trapped in the middle of nowhere. The distance between the islands depends on the movement of each individual and how they imagine the distance in between. It contains a certain degree of density and confined thoughts. This concrete idea lasts a longer duration than a piece of fragile image. Now we have more time to face objects and empty space than ever. Every day we practice the order of things of an ordinary life. I started to observe the machine. Loop, a repeated daily routine which is not able to change easily. Pattern, acts that we're used to. Balance, the balance of objects. Angle, the direction of how we see things. Measurement, new understandings to value things. Practice above all in our everyday life, and repeat it again.